Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is September the 7th, 2021. Algorand the price prediction. This is what we're going to do today. We're going to talk about this algo crypto is expected to hit this price target real soon. It seemed like everyone got pretty much complacent about where Algorand was going to go, and now we're seeing a different price move going on this price target. So if you guys want to see what I'm talking about, before I tap in, make sure you hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. Make sure you follow us. Make sure you tap that bell notification because you do not want to miss out on any of our content that we are creating, because you can see it. We're telling all of our community as to where we're looking for the price to go without being confused. You guys can do this for yourself. You won't have to be dependent on all these other YouTubers out here that's trying to give you the understanding of technical indicators, because you don't need it. It is completely useless and garbage. Technical indicators do not give you no competitive advantage amongst everyone else who is participating into the market. The least you have on your chart, the better you are. Simple, right? So make sure you tap in with us. All right, so now Algorand. We're looking for the market price in Algorand to hit this price target, right? You can see it. Market currently is down 8.5%. So obviously, you might be already insinuating that the price is going to go down. Let's see real quick. First, I want to talk about this last price prediction. You guys can see it. August the 16th, right? I told you all to expect the price in Algorand to go up, right? And I told you what area we needed to see the market come in and grab support. And you guys can see it 2 days into our price prediction, the market in Algorand came down here, grabbed support around 85 cents, confirmed that this ascending line was still intact. So you guys shouldn't have been nervous about seeing the market price in Algorand go down the first 2 days. You shouldn't have been nervous, because I told you to expect the market to try to come in and grab support either alongside this ascending line or no lower than 84 cents. So did you get scared? Did you shake out your position and sold because you got nervous because the price was going down? Not at all. This is how you're able to read the market and become non-emotional when you enter this space. So at least 19.54% profitability from our last price prediction on August the 16th, right there. If we were to get out right now, 34%, plain and simple. All right, so now let me get rid of this. That is all. You guys can see that we got that one correct. One against the trap. And a couple of things I wanted to show you is that currently, look at this trend. Do you guys still think that the market in Algorand is in a upward trend? Or do you think we are creating this move? Look at that. Look at the overall breakage away from this current trend that we started all the way back in July. The market in Algorand completely broke away from it on this current trajectory. We broke it. So we are trading so far away from this overall ascending line that, yeah, you might expect us to come down in price. I don't understand why everyone trying to get you all to think that everything always shoots up to the moon. We did a fantastic move in Algorand starting back in July. I mean, look at it. We've increased in profit since July 21st, right? To the current trade of 73, almost 74%. That's fantastic. For us to go 75% within the last 2 months is fantastic. But now you might need a break. So where would you expect the new price target to be then? If you're expecting the market to come down, do you suspect that Algorand can uphold this current massive slope, this massive ascending line that is currently going through? Do you think it can do that with us being down 8.25% right now? Do you think that this overall trend right here is going to be maintained? Do you think it's going to hold? Because if so, there's no need for you to worry. You would expect the market to bounce off that ascending line and go up. But wait. Let me show you this, okay? Let me take this horizontal line right here, and I'm going to take it to where the markets got rejected in Algorand, okay? See that? We've been here before. So why would everyone be surprised that the market currently is down 8% in Algorand? We've been here in May. We saw the market weakness come in Algorand in May, and the price went down substantially. We saw it back here in February 20, 2021. So we continue to show the market bumping its head right there around $1.50. For some reason, it cannot break $1.50 to the upside. That's a very key, important level for us, okay? The bullishness into the market in Algorand will not happen until we see price really break above it. Yeah, we got a small time frame to where we saw the price trade above $1.50, but it wasn't long. It wasn't sustained. The price could not stay above $1.50 even when we broke out from it. That's an issue. That's a problem. Okay. Now, let's see the price in Algorand on the 2-day. This is the market price in Algorand on the 2-day time frame. We got 13 hours and 50 minutes left. Yes, the increase in volume alongside to where price currently is closing at in Algorand lets us know that there is more stockpile coming into the market that the market is not willing to buy up at the moment. And when that happens, price always go down. So what we need to do on this video is try to pinpoint where can the market come in Algorand and grab support. Do you see it? $1.20, right? Can you see that? We could see the market price in Algorand come in and grab support around $1.20, $1.10, and then no lower, okay? No lower than that ascending line. These are the stair steps that we need to see price come in and grab support. Because if it doesn't, on either one of those three price levels, we are going to go a lot lower in price. You may not want to hear that, but I got to give it to you the way it is. I got to give it to you what the chart is currently showing us. So I wanted to give you all that. $1.20, $1.10, and this ascending line. We have to be prepared for the market in Algorand to grab those price targets. It's just that easy, just that simple. Okay. Now, you can also tell that there is a shallow area of support up here. Okay, like $1.25. I didn't mention it, but it can also grab that area too. The closer we get to where price is and we grab that support, the better that we're able to break $1.50 to the upside in the long term. But currently, the market is taking a break. The market is being sold off around 8% right now. Obviously, you would expect to see that. Okay. Now, from a weekly perspective, we saw a fantastic week last week. Very, very good week last week. We're starting off the current trade week pretty bad though. So it's not over. I mean, we still got 5 days, 14 hours left before this weekly bar concludes. So I'm not going to be too reliant upon it. We have too much time to allow the market to work itself out. Too many things can go on from now until this weekly bar ends. So I'm not going to be dependent on that. I'm looking at this last completed bar right here. And it kind of lets me know from a weekly perspective, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, yes, the market price is extremely strong in Algorand. But from a smaller perspective, i.e. 3 days, 2 days, daily time frame, the market currently is going down. We need to prepare for that. But from a weekly perspective, yeah, the market looks decent. It looks pretty good right now. But anything can go. I mean, anything goes in the next 5 days and 14 hours. So I don't want to be dependent on that. I'm looking at this market from a smaller time frame. Okay. And with that being stated, we will have to play some of this weakness into the market in Algorand, and you can see it. Very, very nice move. Look at that. That's just beautiful to see that price in Algorand just shoot straight up like that. But now we're getting the introduction of some weakness. All right, so I'm not looking for the market to grab this area of this ascending line. I'm not expecting the market to test that, right? But instead, I'm looking for the price to break it to the downside. $1.25 is the first area that I would look to see price grab, but then $1.20 and then $1.10. All right, so let me run the price prediction for Algorand back on the daily, and then I'm gonna let you get your time back, right? Because I understand that many of you have other things that you want to do in your life, and you don't want to spend 25, 30 minutes of someone speaking to you about technical indicators and MACDs and RSIs and Bollinger Bands, right? So I said $1.25, right? There's a very shallow area of support there. I will grab profits there in the market, right? Next area will be $1.20 all the way down to $1.10. I'm not really looking at the market in Algorand hitting $1.10, but I want to give us a cushion. I want us to be prepared for that, just under the premise that the weakness continues, because we're in the beginning phase of seeing the selling come into the market in Algorand, right? But the sooner we come in and grab support, i.e. if we get support at $1.25, yeah, that's how far the market's going to go. And we're going to try to reclaim breakers above $1.50 later on throughout this work week. All right, so that's it. The 3 price targets is $1.25, $1.20, and $1.10. That's how we're going to stair-step our way down to confirm where the trap is willing to grab support. That's it. Simple. All right. So now I want to know, what do you all think about the price movement in Algorand? Currently, we're down 7.81%. Do you think the market is going to continue to go lower, or do you think we're going to stop and reverse course and go up? Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, this is too simple. Let's not make this complicated. Join the team. I'm out.